Hey guys, Chris here with CGM Auto Brokers. I got a super nice truck here for you guys. I got a 2014 Chevrolet 2500. This has the Duramax diesel Allison automatic transmission, and it's 4x4, guys. It's got a nice set of wheels on it, Vision wheels, Wrangler tires. As you can see, the body is in good condition. It's got tow package. This is an LTZ, guys. Rhino lined, bed liner, backup camera. Again, 2500 HD, Duramax 6.6, fog lights. I'll pop the hood here in a second. Running boards, clean title, ice cold air condition, hot heater. Let's look inside. This thing has power windows, power door locks. It's got cup holder down here in the door panel as well. It's got heated as well as air conditioned seats, guys. It's got memory seating over here, 4x4, brake controller, power seats, leather interior, sunroof. This is a full four-door. We'll get inside in just a second. Full four-door. Check this out. Cup holders in the center there. This thing is in excellent condition, guys. Excellent condition. So let's step inside. We've got 160,532 miles. No warning lights at all. Just passed North Carolina inspections. Has gone through PPI as well. This has navigation, hot heater, cold air condition. You could adjust your pedals. You could turn traction control off. You got your exhaust brake on here as well. And you could turn your parking sensors on or off as well. So let's get in here. Let's go to source. It's got AM, FM, and XM satellite radio. Radio sounds great. I don't want to get hit with the sunroof. Guys, do not miss out on this truck. This thing is too clean, too nice. Do I have to tell you what 4x4 diesel trucks are doing right now? If you are interested in this vehicle, guys, hit me up. My name is Chris. I am with CGM Auto Brokers, okay? I could be reached at 704-620-8388. 704-620-8388. We are located at 4708 West Highway 74, Monroe, North Carolina, 28110. You can visit us online at www.cgmautobrokers.com. That's www.cgmautobrokers.com. Guys, if you like these videos, hit the like button, subscribe, hit that little bell so you get the notifications whenever we add new vehicles into the inventory. And remember, guys, most importantly, Jesus loves you. God bless, and thanks for watching.